Gulled Simba is no doubt one of the biggest Somali artists of this generation. There is something that makes him so special and different from other musicians. He only produces an average of only one song per year, in return gets so many views and streams from his song. The strategy that he uses to make his audience engaged and crave for his music is really out of this world, and this definitely makes me so curious and so invested. So in today's video we are going to look at what is inside the mind of Gulled Simba, why it took him only 4 years to plan all this strategy and come back with something really big. So without further ado, let's get started.
Monkey.
So let's go back in time and find out how Gulled Simba actually got into music industry. Gulled Simba was born between 1991 and 1995 in the Somali city of Kismayu. If you guys know which year Gulled Simba was born, let me know in the comment section below. He gained passion for music at a really young age. In 2007, Gulled Simba found it really difficult to pursue his music career if he continued to stay in Somalia, because at that time Somalia wasn't really in good position and it was really a big mess. For this reason, he decided to move to Turkey. This is where he tried to produce some music, but they never went so popular, so nobody actually listened to him. 2 years later, he decided to move to Finland, and that's where he stays right now. It is in Finland where he got really serious with his music, and this is the same country where he gets to stay with a bigger brother, Nabil Bule. So Nabil Bule started helping his brother writing the songs and producing music in Finland. So Nabil was actually writing the lyrics while Gulled Simba was singing. His first major hit song was Asal Dalat. This was actually written by his brother. This song was released in 2016, where it went insanely viral by getting 1 million views in the first 1 week. He continued to produce more songs, and these songs got over 10 million views each until the year 2018, where he took a really long break of 4 good years. It looks to me that he was planning something. He was cooking something with his brother. Simba made a really big comeback in the year 2020, where he released his comeback song Jana Dunia, which again was produced by his brother and also written by his brother. After immediately he made his comeback, he opened his YouTube channel so that his songs doesn't really have to be messy and be uploaded on different channels. This channel will really blow up in a very short period of time. But their plan was to produce less songs but quality music. In this case, it was quality over quantity. This made the audience wait and crave for the music they are producing. They were waiting like crazy, man. Everyone was talking about Gulled Simba. He made sure that people had him in their minds every single time. This is the main cause for his success: the craving and making the audience wait. Immediately he produces one single song, boom, it becomes an instant hit, getting over 10 million views. And personally, I think this is really smart strategy. Gulled Simba is now one of the most popular Somali musicians of this generation. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and subscribe down below, and maybe comment down below what you know about Gulled Simba that I haven't talked about in this video. And yeah, that's for today's guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.